Okay, next, law of cosines. The solution to an oblique is used when the given are two sides and the included angle, three sides. So this was demonstrated by French mathematician Francois Viette. Okay, so this is the angle also. So this is the formula. E squared is equals to V squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine E. So another is B squared is equals to E squared plus C squared minus 2EC cosine B. And then C squared is equals to E squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Okay? So for example, from the oblique triangle in which E is equals to 6 centimeters, B is equals to 9 centimeter, and C is equals to 32 degrees. Solve for angle E. Okay, so first thing to do is we figure out. Okay, then substitute the problem given. So this is the triangle. We drew a triangle. So substitute a given. So V is B, where B, or we assume B is equals to, or the opposite sides of vertex angle V, that is 9 centimeter. Then vertex A, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. So C, then here is 92 degrees triangle. So by using cosine law, which is C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2EB cosine C. So substitute the given problem, which is C squared is equals to 6 squared plus 9 squared minus 2, that is 6 times 9 cosine 32. So calculate, and that is C, where C is equals to 5.04 centimeter. Okay, so the problem is solved for angle E. So we using sine law. Okay, so E over sine E is equals to C over sine C. So substitute, where E is 6 over sine E is equals to 5.04 over sine 32. Okay, so calculate. E is equals to arc sine E, quantity of 6 times sine 32 over 5.04. Okay, so the final answer to be calculated, that is 39.10 degrees. So that is the answer of this problem. Another example, two ships started from the same point. One traveled north 20 degrees east at 30 miles per hour. So while the other traveled south 50 degrees east at 20 miles per hour. After 3 hours, how far apart are the ships? Okay, so we drew. So first, we need this compass direction. Okay. So the problem state north 20 degrees east. So this is no. Another is south 50 degrees east. Okay. So this is the angle. Then we indicate here is E. Then another ship is B. So let D is the distance between ships after 3 hours. Let E is the distance of the one ship traveled northwest degree 20 degrees east at 30 miles per hour. So another is B is the distance of another ship's traveled south 50 degrees east at 20 miles per hour. Okay, so let for the equivalent distance, that is A is equals to 30 miles per hour times 3 hour. Okay, is equals to 90 miles. Okay, to cancel hours. Okay. Then for equivalent distance B is equals to 20 miles per hour times 3 hour, that is 60 miles. So Okay? So, to find theta here, so theta plus 20 degrees plus 50 degrees, that is equals to 180 degrees. So, equate to 180 degrees. Okay? So, next, finding theta. So, therefore, 180 minus 70 degrees, that is 110. Okay, so by using cosine law, okay, so remember to find the distance. Okay, here. Okay, so d squared is equals to e squared plus b squared minus 2eb cosine theta. So where cosine theta na to here is 110 degrees. Okay, because opposite of d, which is that is a distance where that I can find or we can find. Okay. So d squared is equals to 90 squared plus 60 squared minus 2 times 90 times 60 cosine 110. So the final answer to be calculated, that is 124.07 miles. So that is the final answer of this problem. Okay, so next, law of tangent. This solution to an oblique is used when the given are two sides and the included angle. So this was demonstrated by French mathematician Francois Viette. Okay, so this was first described by Danish mathematician and physician Thomas Finke. So this is the formula of the law of tangent. Okay, so E minus B over the A plus B is equals to tangent 1/2 quantity of E minus B over the tangent of 1/2 the quantity of E plus B. Okay, so although I have not given the problem of law of tangent because mostly can solve this law of sine and law of cosine mostly sa more on sa mga problem example or problem na gifang hatag. Okay, so masolve na sa cosine law or uh, law of sines or sine law. Okay. So there is no need to use this formula of tangent. Okay. So now you can master the cosine law and the sine law. Okay. So okay, again, you must need to practice more problem all about the cosine law and sine law.